Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you and your family are fine and enjoying good health. Dear students, attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. So, it's your science class. Here is your science book, Science Carnival. Let's start unit number 1. Here is your chapter number 1 of your book, Science. Okay, unit number 1 and chapter number 1 is the green world. Dear students, in our previous classes, we have started this chapter. Today, we are going to learn about different parts of plant. What are different parts of plants? Dear students, plants are living things that can make their own food. So, plant is made up of different parts. Plants have roots, a stem and a leaves. Here is roots, a stem, this is stem, and these parts are known as leaves. Many plants have flowers and fruit too. Just like this is a flower, this is a fruit, and this yellow color, this is flower part. Okay students, remember all these parts: flower, fruit, leaf, stem, and roots. Roots are underground parts, and the above part is stem, fruits, flower, and leaf. Dear students, on page number 11, here is a practice zone for you. Label the parts of plants below. Here is a plant having different parts just like roots, stem, leaves, and flower. Dear student, label all these parts on your book with your lead pencil. It is your home task, so please note this. Okay, here is some fascinating facts. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plant in the world. Bamboo, this is the name of plant that is very fastest growing. सबसे तेजी से उगता है. It can grow up to 100 centimeters a day. The Sagora cactus is one of the slowest growing plant. In 10 years, it only grows 2.5 centimeters. So, which is the fastest growing plant? Bamboo. Again, which is the fastest growing plant? Bamboo. And which is the slowest growing plant? Cactus. Sagora cactus. What are the functions of the parts of plant? Here is, what is it? This is root. Let's know the function of this part of plant. Roots. Roots of plants usually grow under the ground. Just like this. This grow under the ground. They hold the plant in the soil. They hold the plant in the soil. They also take in water from the soil for the plant. पौधे के लिए जमीन से पानी भी लेके जाती हैं. These young plants have strong roots. Just like here is a young plant. एक छोटा सा पौधा है, but it has strong roots. Okay, these are roots. And what is the function of roots? They take in water from the soil. Here is stem, S-T-E-M, stem. This green part is called stem. Let's know the function of the stem. Stem bears almost all parts of plants above the ground. Stems के पास सारे parts होते हैं. अगर हम ज़मीन ऊपर देखें, just like leaves, roots, flower and seeds. All these parts are present on stems. The stems carries water from the roots to the leaves and food from the leaves to the other part of the plants. Okay, it carries water from the roots. Roots से पानी लेती है, and food from the leaves. और leaves से खाना लेती है, and leaves and provide to the other parts of the plant. The arrow shows the path of water in plant. Here is the arrow. This arrow shows the path of the water. पानी का रास्ता दिखाती हैं. There are different types of stems. Here are different types of stems. Some stems are green. Here some stems are woody, just like tree. Some stems are thick. Some stems are thin, very thin stems. Let's know about the another part. Here is leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. This is leaf. So student, the leaf is a little factory. It is a little factory that makes food for plant. Here is your leaf, in which thing is prepared? Food. Leaf में खाना बनता है. The food is then carried to different parts of the plant by stem. उसके बाद ये खाना stem के जरिए different parts पे जाता है. Okay, this is leaf. Leaf is the food factory of plant. Let's know about flowers. Flowers are usually most attractive parts of plant. Just like color of flower, this is white in color. These flowers are yellow in color, pink in color, red in color. So all flowers are very attractive due to their color, due to their smelling. Sweet smelling. खुशबू बहुत अच्छी होती है flowers की. But some flowers stink the rotten meat, and some flowers have very bad smell. But some flowers are very sweet smell, just like rose. Do you like a rose? Yes, roses have very sweet smell, and they have very beautiful in colors. Flowers grow from buds. ये बर्ड्स से निकलते हैं. छोटी छोटी कलियां होती हैं पौधे के ऊपर. Then flowers grow from birds. Some flowers have many petals. Other than one have few petals. Some flowers have very few petals, and some flowers have some flowers have many petals. Some petals are small, and some petals are very large, just like sunflower and lotus. And look at their petals. Some are very many in size, large in size, and some are very small in size. Okay, this is flowers. Flowers are very beautiful part. Now let's know about fruit and seeds. Again, fruits and seeds. Here are some fruits in front of you. Papaya, apple, orange. All fruits have seeds inside them. Some seeds are very small in size, and some seeds are large in size, just like mango. मैंगो की जो गुठली होती है, it is large in size. वो बड़े साइज में होती है. But the seeds of apple and oranges are very small in size. Okay, let's know about function of flower. A flower can develop into a fruit. एक फ्लावर, एक फूल प्यारा सा एक फ्रूट बन जाता है. Which may contain seeds, जिसके अंदर छोटे छोटे सीड्स होते हैं. These are some seeds that are found in the different fruits. Inside each seed is a tiny plant, new plant. It is a seed, and it has a very short and small size plant, very new small plant. Okay, seeds are present inside which thing? Fruits. Inside fruits. Okay. Given air, water and warmth, the tiny plant will grow into an adult plant. अगर हम एक छोटे से पौधे को पानी दे दें, उसको गर्म वार्मथ दे दें, उसको हम उस एयर प्रोवाइड कर दें, then this tiny plant will grow into adult plant. This is the adult plant. एक बड़ा सा पौधा है, एक बीज था, फिर छोटा सा tiny plant, then young plant, after that adult plant. Discovery more. Let's know about discover more. Mix lemon juice and water drops of water into a boil. Dip a point brush in it. Use the dip a paintbrush in it. Use the paintbrush to write a message on a paper. Let the message dry. Hold the paper, close the light and light bulb when you are ready to read your secret message or show it someone else. Okay, very interesting. You can write a secret message with the help of lemon juice and few drops of water. When we write lemon juice and write with lemon juice and few drops of water, then it would become the secret writing. अगर हम उसको लिखकर लाइट ऑन करें तो हमें हमारी सीक्रेट लाइटिंग नज़र आ जाएगी कि हमने उस पर क्या लिखा था. Which two things you need for this purpose? Lemon juice and few drops of water. Here is again practice zone for you. Look at this practice zone. Complete the table with the correct part of plant. Here table is given to you. You have to write here different parts just like stem, flower, roots. Okay. Carries water to the other parts of other plants parts? Yes, roots. So write here roots. Dear student, it is for you. So you do this by yourself. Dash makes seeds. Which thing makes seeds? Dash makes food. Leaves made food. Dash made seeds. Take in water. Which thing take in water? Roots. So students, complete this page by yourself. Okay, let's move toward exercise. Here is exercise. A rose is a creeper, tree, climber, shrub. Rose is a shrub. So tick the correct answer. Shrub. Dash is usually the most attractive part of plant. Recently we have studied about this. Which part is most attractive part? Yes, flowers. Okay. Dash are the habitat of many plants, many animals. Which thing are the habitats of many animals? Trees. Because animals get their food, वो अपना खाना लेते हैं, and get their shelter from trees, from plants. So trees are the habitat of many animals, just like parrot. तोता दरख्त पे रहता है. So the habitat of animal, just like bird, just like parrot, is tree. Okay, I hope that you have understood this. Here is question number 2. Some questions are given in this part. Our first question is, which part of the plant is an apple? This is apple. So let me tell me that which part is this? This is fruit. Apple is fruit. So write the answer. Apple is fruit. Which part of the plant carries water to the other part of plant? Which part? Yes, roots. Roots carries water to the other parts of plant. How is a tree a habitat for animals? tree is habitat for animals because trees provide food and shelter to animals. That's why trees are the habitat of animals. So students, note all these questions on your neat notebook as your home task. Now, question number 3 is fill in the missing letter. Now we are going to fill the missing letters. R dash S dash, ROSE, rose. Then NEEM, neem. PNE, PINE, pine. GUL, gul. MO, gulmohar. HAR. So write here A, not E. So gulmohar. GUL MOHAR. So write here A. Gulmohar. Okay. Let's move towards next blank. Big and short plants are called trees. Climber needs support to stand. Plants are living things. So note all these fill in the blanks on your book with your pencils. Look at the picture and circle the picture of climber. So students, I hope that you can do this. Here, look at which one is your climber. This grapevine is the climber part. Okay, let's circle this part. Climber, this grapevine, and pea plant is also climber. So circle this part also. And money plant is also a climber. So circle this part also, this plant also. So I have done the fifth part. Unscramble the letters. Here some words are unscrambled. AEP. This is basically PEA. So right here PEA. Pea plant. Matar ka poda. EMN. This is neem. 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 Coconut. COCO. Coco. And UT nut. COCO. Coco. And UT nut. Coconut. So students, complete this at your home and complete these parts. Now dear students, let's move toward your homework, and your homework is read chapter number 1 thoroughly 2 to 3 times. So read this chapter at your home and write exercise on neat notebook. Solve practice zone of chapter number 1 on books. So dear students, I hope that you have understood today's lecture. If you have any question or you still feel any difficulty regarding this lecture, call me at school's number. I will answer your all queries. Dear students, complete all the homework or tasks that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the picture of your homework at school's WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. And Allah Hafiz.